Hey, good afternoon. Brandon here from Beast Mode Trading. I wanted to provide you guys another daily snippet of our scalping system. Was my bread and butter that I traded for about a year straight to get my account up to where it needed to be to diversify into other things, swing trades, dividends, selling options, a little bit of OTCs, just stuff like that. I'm a firm believer to keep your eggs in multiple baskets. You go to the store and you have one basket. You wreck, you break all 12 eggs. You're done. You have to go back to the store to get more eggs. If you copied your same self and had 12 bikes and you put one egg in each basket, if one egg cracked, you still have 11 others still pushing forward. So goes right back into trading. I personally day trade for a stream. I buy shares. I collect dividends. I sell options. Invest for the long term, and I put a little profits into the OTCs. So that way, if the OTCs are on fire, I'll make a little bit there. But you get the gist of it. I don't want to take too much of your time, so let's dive in. This was Thursday, Wednesday of last week, short week. Tuesday, and here's Monday, the 28th. The Thursday before that was Christmas Eve, which is on the 24th. So let's dive in. Every day in our live chat room, we run the same system live. We preach risk management, consistency, and following the plan. And this is exactly what we mean by that. So if you have a small account, say $1,000, you could trade with $100 each trade and still be able to extract money with us daily. Some of the common traits of an unsuccessful person in our room would be they come in and they go all in on one signal, and it could be the loser, and then they're upset. So that's why you have to be consistent to the plan. You got to trade all the signals, and we do this to instill confidence in your belief system. So this is Monday. We have no idea what's going to happen. We have momentum shift to the downside. We take this first red arrow right there, put our stop out's right there. Before it closed above our stop out, it actually moved to our target. We were expecting it to come back down into this area. It did that, so we are 1-0. Then we get a momentum shift to the upside. While our line went from red to blue, we take this first blue arrow right here, and look what happens. This thing takes off. Our stop was right here. Our 1-to-1 was right there, and we set a trail stop, and we were able to capture more. 2-0. This system, like I said, is meant for quicker scalp. Sometimes we're in the trades for 15, 20 minutes. Other times we could be in a trade for 3 or 4 minutes. I personally like the 3 or 4 minute trades. I like to be out of the trade as fast as I can, as long as my desired targets are reached. So let's continue onward. We're 2-0 right now. Then we have momentum shift to the upside or to the downside. We take this first red arrow. Based on structure, our stop was there. Went on and hit our 1-to-1. We are 3-0, and we don't get no more signals up until 12. So we're 3-0 on our first day. Let's continue onward. We have momentum shift to the upside. We take our first blue arrow right there. Oh, look what happened. Hold on. Sorry, I felt a sneeze coming. So we are 3-0. This is Tuesday. We do lose trades, and this is a perfect example right there. We take our first blue arrow. We know we have about an 80% chance to get close to our 1-to-1, and we enter here. Our stop out's right there, and our 1-to-1 was up here. We did not even come close to testing this before rolling over. So in this case, something unique happens, and this is why I love stock options. We're in a call here, and my stop out's right here, but then we get a momentum shift to the downside, and we get a put signal right here. So we're actually in a call and a put at the same exact time, and once one gets stopped out, you close it. This trade right there gets stopped out right here on this candle, and this same candle was the same exact time is we put our trail stop for our put, and we actually got a grand slam out of this. So this happens about once a week. Sometimes we get 2 or 3 trades like this. The trail stop capturing this kind of movement right here in a couple minutes, it went from 59 cents. This thing just dropped down to 72, 58. Here would be $1 right here, 58 up here. So it probably went about $1.30 in our favor. That's huge money when we day trade. You know, we call them grand slams. So we were 3-0. We took this call trade. This was a loser. So we were 3-1. We took this put trade, which is a grand slam. We are 4-1. On this day, we're 50%, and we're still net profit. And that's a good situation to be in. So I try not to get too concerned, or I don't stress the win percent that much, because we could win 33% of our trades and still be net profitable. In this example, we could win 50% of our trades and we're still net profitable. As a trader, we love to be net profitable. You know, that's why we trade for us. So we were 3-0, 3-1. We're 4-1 right now. Let's continue to see if we get anything else. We get a momentum shift to the upside. We're 4-1. We take calls here. Here's our stop. It just didn't work out this time, so we cut it. You know, we're 4-2 right now in 2 days, sitting in profit, still green on the week. And 12 o'clock, we don't get anything else after that, so we go to the next day. We are 4-2. We took puts right here. Here was our stop. And then we got a momentum shift to the upside, and we went into calls. And here was our stop. And our 1-to-1 was up here. The same candle that broke our put trade for a loss gave us a trail stop situation for our calls right here. And this is another reason why I like stock options, because you could be in a call and a put at the same time. And we set a trail stop and we're able to capture more movement to the upside. So we were 4-1 with this one. I believe we'll go back and redo it. So we got a loss here and a winner here. Let me just go back real quick. First day, we went 1-0, 2-0, 3-0. This day we went 3-1, 4-1, 4-2. All right, so we're 4-2. We go back to this day. We lost here. We're 4-3. We won this one. We are 5-3. Then we get a put trade right here. 5-3 goes on to be a winner right there. This did not close above our area. We hit it a couple times and went down. So we are now, we got a winner on that one. 4-3, we're 5-3. And then our momentum shift changes up and we get a buy trade here. Stop outs right there and did not hit our target. So we are 5-3, we're 5-4. And then we're followed up by another winner right here to the downside. 5-4, we're 6-4, and we don't get anything else for this day. So let's continue on. We're 6-4. Then we get a put trade right here, 6-4, 7-4. We get a call trade right here. Stop outs there. Hit our 1-to-1. 7-4. We're 8-4, and then we go in and get a put trade right here, 8-4. 9-4 winner. 12 o'clock comes, we don't get anything else. So we are 9-4 for the week. Let me go back and just make sure that is right real quick. There's Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. We'll go real fast. Winner, 1-0, 2-0, 3-0. Yep, we're 3-0 this day. This trade we're 3-0. We are 3-1. We are 4-1. 4-1. We lose here. 4-1. We're 4-2 right now. Next day, 4-2. We are 4-3. We are 4-3. We're 5-3. We are 5-3. We are 6-3. We are 6-4. Where's a loser? 6-4. We're 7-4 with that trade. So we are 7-4. 12 o'clock comes, we don't get nothing else. So we are 7-4. We get puts here. 8-4. We get calls right here. 8-4, 9-4. We get puts here. 10-4. We finished the week going 10-4. Was not that great. Did not meet our 80% history of what we get on this. But as you see, we still finished green. Another week green in the books. So we got 10 winners out of 14 trades. Let's see. And that is 71% right there. 71%. That is crazy. 71% just following the rules. So if you had $1,000 and you traded each trade with $100, you probably would have expected to make $10 to $20 per winner, and you probably would have lost $15 to $20 on each of those losers. And you can do the math. 10 winners. We'll say we lose $25 on each of the losers. So 25 times 4 is $100. But we have 10 winners. 10 winners at 15 cents. 15 cents, 150. And 4 times 25 is 100. So if you take 150 minus 100, you have a net gain of $50 for the week. You could have just grown your account 5% for that week. Just simple math right there. A couple of those trades we had those grand slams on though. I was just giving you a number. Our average was definitely higher for this week. That one trade probably netted us around 35, maybe 40 cents on that one trade, with the rest of them going at least 15 cents. And them losers probably all being about 20 cents. I was just giving you a rough ballpark figure, you know. Just wanted to show you, how we were able to extract money from the stock market yet again and buy ourselves all dinner on New Year's Eve, and we get to celebrate. If you like what you see and what we do, we run this platform, this system live in our chat room every single week. Make sure you reach out and lock in your spot today, and you can come take part of our live day trading chat room, our OTCs, our selling options, and our swing trades as well. So we try to get the markets in a couple pieces, you know. Diversification is key. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you guys. Beast Mode out.